How do you feel about the wind, Amber?
That's pretty crazy.
I know. Look, Cheyenne just lost all her papers.
Yeah.
And she said,
colorful
freaking crap hill. She probably did, huh?
Flipping crap hill.
Amber, don't say that. I'm older than you.
Okay. Beef, come on, please. It's not windy anymore.
It kind of stopped. It kind of stopped, Amber.
Yeah, right here.
No, come on, Amber. DooFus!
Stay behind the wall.
You're not freaking. Damn, man, away! What are you doing? You look like a freaking hippie hoppy dancer. DooFus. Oh, that's my sign. Who cares? I don't want that. Okay. Because Katrina's gross. Look at the bag. It's that bag.
Oh my
dude.
god, that looks hard. I'm gonna laugh.
Amber, can we just go real quick to the track-ish? I want to see how it feels because if we record...
Cheyenne.
Huh?
Probably crying by now.
I know she committed a crime, huh?
She looks peeved. Actually. You can tell by her fist.
Totally pissed, Amber. Amber, let's go over there really quick, okay?
Okay, let's go.
No, not... Amber, come here! Not with her, but we're gonna walk on our own, okay? Tracked.
I have no idea where you're going.
Tracked. Beep!
Is that about the track?
No, Amber, that's a wall. Dang, we're going. I'm just saying, no, dang. Okay, oh my god. Okay, remember, get straight. No, man. Looking ridiculous. I'm cussing. Yeah, right. Not even. Oh, shit. Oh my god, there's the rainbow. Amber, look over there. You see all those colors? You see all those color coded? Amber, oh, Amber, over here. All right, let's go see. Anyway, see papers, Amber. You're not home, Amber.
That was some sight, though.
DooFus, did you see all that crap? It was just blowing.
She is blown away. Cheyenne. She has like nothing to remind her.
Where is she?
There on the ground.
Where? Where's she at?
Oh, Mr. Grange is talking to the hidden concept.
Talking to who?
Cheyenne.
Amber, DooFus. What action? Sweet. Pick up your face! This one is ridiculous! Because he saw an alien and he got disappointed with him? Right, some alien captured this guy. It was really scary video. I don't want you to see it. And we just screamed like we're that guy because he was having a extraterrestrial nightmare or something. You know? Saw her crap. Amber, hurry! Come on, man, we're doing good.
God, my hair.
My hair too. Look at freaking. This is like. No, it doesn't. Amber, come on. I look like a teenager. Why is that? Okay, so
You're a teenager, babe.
Huh?
You have that. I don't blame you.
Okay, thanks.
Good, Kermit.
Amber, hurry! Amber, do you see my staples? If you seen me with my staples, I would have looked so emo.
Those ones.
Yeah, they had 17 in them. Amber, I didn't tell you what happened to me, huh?
Yeah, we should tell you.
What? Okay. So, I was struck with a headache. Amber, I don't want to tell you. I'm gonna cry. That story's way too sad. My dad told me everything that happened in the hospital, and it was really, really disappointing.
You should tell your iPod
And then like send you the recordings. Amber, when you bring your freaking phone back? Hurry, hurry! Huh?
I'm gonna get my grade up after that
So like next week? Wait, where? Oh my god, Amber!
next week.
Oh.
It's better.
mean away from us. Remember, I'm like that. Hey, Bloods, this is exciting, isn't it? I thought it was going to be a fun day, but this morning it was kind of windy-ish too. Yeah, like a tornado's going to come. No, we don't get tornadoes in Nevada. That's why we should never leave here. Because if we move to Australia or Paris or like Florida, there's going to be a lot of tornadoes, guys! I just screamed in front of the camera.
Tornadoes and hurricanes. This hurricane wins Nevada.
Channel 2 News reporting to you from,
What is this? Reno, Nevada?
no, it's Sparks.
Okay, Sparks, Nevada. Hurricane winds
About, 32 miles,
32,000 miles per second.
and,
Oh,
so windy, like a freaking tornado might
It's
come.
like a freaking, yeah, in your
And
face.
now the bell rings, we have to leave.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Like you told me that I was gonna say something. Oh yeah! I named it last night. I named it going to Daddy's or something. Bye, Amber! Say goodbye to your bestie.
Say it nicely.
Okay.